Yo, it's me, Raul, and this is called How Jamaican Women Watch TV, Part 2, Dos, Ni, Enjoy.
Me don't know how come she had the last one left and she had the most idiotist one. Why the room dark? The room dark. The room dark. You know, like you're going in the room. Don't go in the room, girl. Don't go in the room. Lord of God, she gone in the room. Him under the bed. Him under the bed. You know here, him under the bed. Him under the bed. Don't go. Jesus Christ. Why? Lord, he grab her foot. He grab her foot. He grab her foot. Jesus and peace. Why? Y'all run. Run, y'all, run, y'all. Fling with yourself. Fling with your ear. Fling with your foot and run. Run. Jesus Christ. Don't catch him. Don't catch her. Don't catch her. Jesus. She dead. She dead. You idiot. Cause you did for run. And you never run. You feel dead. You did for run. And good. You did for run.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Raul Blaze. Respect.